Guys, in this video I'll show you payment proof from with URL Shortener. We go to the channel, URL Shortener reviews. This is it. This is the channel with videos about payment proofs, which you guys are posting in the forum shortenerreviews.com. Go to the forum from here, shortenerreviews.com, register, and when you receive a payment from a shortener, make a screen of the payment and post it like a new topic. And in the weekend I'll make a video about it, and in the video description I'll include your referral link, so you can win some referrals and earn additional money for that. This is the channel with the videos. Now we'll go to the forum where I'll show you the proof from which URL Shortener. This is it. This is the forum. You can register from this button here. Now we go here to WIS, and this is the withdrawal page. This is the date I made the withdrawal and the amount, and this is the Bitcoin transaction in the same day. This is the Anycant Bitcoin address where I received the Bitcoins. It's the same like in here. So come here, register in this forum and post your payments, and thanks for your cooperation. I'll make videos for your payments and include in the video only your referral link in the video description. And don't forget, of course, to subscribe to the channel. In your right corner of this video you will see a button. Hit it to subscribe for the latest payment proofs. Bye.